This design was inspired by my levitating plant pot, which I've made a while back. It was important to me that the planters are easy to build as well as assemble, and that the water drains out at the bottom. My first design, which you can see here, had many flaws. That's why I sat back down and fixed them. If you want to build your own, just print out all the pieces. In case of white PLA, you can sand it to make it more smooth. The next step is to prepare 5 equally long ropes with knots on one end, that you then pull through the holes to tie one big knot at the other end. Just make sure that it hangs horizontally. Lastly, grab a small rope and tie a loop with a big knot on one end to pull through the hole at the bottom. As for the plants, I went with some more aesthetical ones, but I'm sure this would be awesome for herbs and spices as well. There's a little bucket I modeled to catch the excess water, but placing a normal plant pot below your setup will be even better. If you use the bucket, you might have to coat it with some silicone inside to make sure it doesn't leak water. I really hope many people can make use of the design because I genuinely think it turned out great. And with that being said, have an awesome day.